Volatile few days after a volatile week for the market, and trading app Robinhood is now facing regulatory scrutiny after outages left their 10 million users without the ability to make trades. Kate Rooney has been digging into this story and joins us with the latest. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Sarah. The outage is over, but now Robinhood has to deal with angry customers. The co-founder is addressing the technical issue in a letter to clients last night, saying it was due to trading volume, and they're dealing with customers on a case-by-case basis. Robinhood offering some customers 3 months of its subscription service, Robinhood Gold, at $5 a month. That comes out to $15. That offer has not stopped outrage on Twitter. Many of its 10 million clients, mostly millennials, threatening to leave for incumbent brokerage firms. Others online threatening to sue. The Twitter account Robinhood Class Action now has more than 6,000 followers. Guys?
Kate, thanks so much for that. And Josh, I mean, we've discussed this app before, and this is a blow to them in terms of establishing credibility long term, and consumers going to want much more level of trust when it's a financial based app than if it was just some kind of other new delivery app or whatever else.
Am I the only one who hasn't lost their mind? You're paying $0. It's free trades. What do you expect?
Yeah, but everyone's offering that now.
Here's gas station sushi. It's free. This sushi made me sick. Well, it was free, though. Let me tell you a story.
I disagree with that. I think it's unfair if they face class action. I think that's not going to happen. But I think what this highlights is that when it comes to managing people's money or saving or bank, they want trust.
They're not managing
people. People will want trust, and this could damage them.
People want efficiency, and they want 100% runtime, and that's not the way the world works. It's very unfortunate that this happened to have taken place during two of the most volatile days for the market ever. But that's why it took place. So it's like, do you want something to work almost flawlessly? That brokerage firm doesn't exist. I have accounts open at Schwab, at Fidelity, at TD Ameritrade. I promise you, none of them can promise you 100% uptime. Now, should there be some recourse? Should people have the right to complain? 100%. It's capitalism. You know how you complain? You move your money somewhere else if it made you that angry. And if trading is like your life, and you have to do it no matter what, consider having multiple brokerage accounts. But this idea that someone's going to be perfect, especially when they're giving it to you for nothing.
Valley darling. It had raised a lot of money. It was presenting this. It was a tech-savvy alternative for millennials to get free trading.
They got
didn't have
swamped.
the reputation as free gas station sushi or whatever.
But I'm just saying it's literally free. So what do you want? Do you want perfect or do you want free? Like, you're not going to find those two things in the same package in any industry in the world, financial services included. So I do think regulators should look and say what went wrong, how could they have addressed this differently, if there's a fine that they should pay, completely understandable. But the expectation on the part of a trader for perfection, like, I'm sorry, you can't find, it doesn't exist anywhere. Things break, especially when the SPY did $100 billion worth of trading volume. Think about that. No security in the history of the stock market ever did $100 billion worth of buying and selling in one market day. That's one security. Now imagine 4,000 publicly traded stocks and ETFs doing their highest volume ever. Things break. Things break. There were people who couldn't log on to Fidelity. There were people who could. So this is the plumbing of the markets. It's built by humans. Things don't always work. Let's not have a lynch mob on social media.